Hello guys, Justas here. Today I want to show you how to play Sunsets for Somebody Else by Jack Johnson. So, as always, take a guitar and join me for it. I've seen your face somewhere, selling something, some big idea. I know I've seen that vacant stare, selling sunsets for somebody else. You find yourself asking yourself, what is any of it worth? You find yourself looking up at night from the bottom of the earth, and no, can this world not afford to sleep anymore? And no, did your sheep stop jumping? They grow out their teeth, did they need a little something more? Taste of trouble on your lips, 'cause now they're biting at your thoughts. You tell yourself just to turn away, but you know you already lost. A taste of rain when it's on the wind can never be paid in full. Yourself to account for this mess and everything that you stole. And no, can this world not afford to sleep anymore? And no, did your sheep start jumping? Did they grow out their teeth? Did they need a little something more? Now they're biting at your feet. They got you running from this place, and now they're breathing down your neck. Your eyes look lonely in your face. I see you looking just out of frame. What is pulling you there? 'Cause things will never stay the same. So what is keeping you here? And no, can this world not afford to sleep anymore? And no, did your sheep start jumping? They grow out their teeth and need a little something now. Every time you blink, well, they'll be biting at your thoughts. And every time you think, well, you'll be so damn far, but you're more.